Okay. Hi, my name is Karleigh and this is my student Pip. Pip, what grade are you in? Prep. Okay, so today we're going to be visiting chemistry concept of observable features of materials. So our inquiry question for today is, can materials withstand certain tests and do they observably change after these tests? So we're going to visit a whole bunch of different materials. So we've looked at rubber today. The next material we're going to look at is a block of ice. Okay, so there are a couple of observable features that we need to look at today. Okay, so the first one is flexibility. So do you know what flexible means?
Yes, it can bend.
It can bend. Okay, do you know what strong means?
Yes, it can't. It can break.
Yep, so if it's strong it won't break at all and it won't move or won't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
Transparent. So we're going to ask the question, is it transparent? So do you know what transparent means? No, so transparent means that if you hold something under it like a light, you'll be able to see the light go straight through it and it'll have a clear path. But if you can't see the light coming through it, or if you can't see anything underneath it, doesn't mean it's transparent. So it's not transparent. And waterproof. You know what waterproof means?
Yes.
Yeah?
It won't go through and it will suck it up.
Yeah, so it won't. If it's waterproof, it won't absorb it. And if it does absorb it, it means it's not waterproof. Okay, so a block of ice. Just by looking at it, do you think this block of ice is flexible?
No.
No? Do you want to try it? Push on it? Try and bend it and stuff? No. No, it still moves. It's a bit wet. Okay, so here we have a little sheet. So I've got this here. It says, is it flexible? So low means it's not flexible at all. And then we've got a line, and then it says high. So it is flexible, so it's highly flexible. So do you think it's flexible at all? So it is flexible or it's not flexible?
Not flexible.
Not flexible. So you put your dot there. Good girl. Alright, so the next one is it strong? So I have a hammer, so you're going to hold it down the bottom so that way it's nice and safe. Do you think it's strong? So do you think that this block of ice will break if you hit it?
Yes.
Yes, you do? Alright, let's have a look. Oh,
That's
do you want another go? See if, yeah? So it made a little bit of a didn't it? It made a little bit of a break in it.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you think, looking back at this, is it strong?
Yes.
It is strong, yeah. Do you think it's really, really strong? Do you think it's a little bit strong? Or do you think it's not strong at all?
A little strong.
A little strong, so we'll put our dot right here on the line. Just here, because we think it's a little bit strong. So I'll give you that to do.
Middle and near the high.
Yeah.
Near the high.
Mm-hmm. Good girl. Alright, our next question is do you think it's transparent? So if we put this light, see it here, underneath it, do you think the light's going to come straight through?
Yes.
You do? Alright, so we'll hold that there. So we're going to pick it up. Does the light go straight through it?
Yes.
Yeah? We'll see how it goes straight through it here, but it doesn't go onto the roof.
Mm-hmm.
And if I move it, it does go onto the roof. It's not actually completely transparent. It's only a little bit transparent because there's no actual clear pathway going up to the roof like it is there. So it's kind of transparent and it's kind of not transparent. So, do you think it's highly transparent, a little bit transparent, mediumly transparent, not really transparent, or not transparent at all?
A little.
A little, so you'll put your little dot there, do you reckon? Yeah? Yes. Yeah. Good job. Okay, and our last question is it waterproof? So this is going to be a tough one.
Yeah.
So remember what waterproof means? It absorbs it. Okay, so do you think this is waterproof? Do you think the water will go through it, or do you think the water will just run straight off it?
Maybe straight off it.
Straight off it? Okay, do you want to hold it, or do you want to pour the thing? It's a little bit cold.
Or maybe I might want to pour this.
Pour it one, is it a bit cold? Alright, so you pour, so take the lid off. Good job. Alright. Whoa, see? It ran straight off it. The ice didn't actually absorb it. So ice is actually not water, it is waterproof because it doesn't go into the water. It just falls straight off the water. So here we go. Is it fully transparent? A little bit, is it fully waterproof? Is it a little bit waterproof? Is it medium waterproof? Is it kind of waterproof, or is it not waterproof?
Not waterproof.
Not waterproof? You reckon
it's waterproof.
it is waterproof. There you go. So you'll put it
Above the height.
Yep. Good girl. Okay, now we're going to look at this one. did it change? So after we put the water on it, did it change? So we've just put the water on it. So does it look, whoopsie, does it look any different after we've put the water on it?
No.
No? Okay. So you're going to put a tick on the no. Okay, so after we tried to bend it, remember when we bent it? Can you try and bend it again for me? Does it look any different after you try and bend it? No, it looks exactly the same?
Yeah.
So no, we're going to put a tick in the no column. And strong. Does it look any different? So remember, here we go. After we've hit it, oh, does it look different?
Yeah.
It does look different, doesn't it? Because it's got a little crack in it now. So it does look different after we've tried to break it and stuff.
Could you just hit it really hard?
Yeah, so put a tick in the yes. And transparent. So after we put the light through it, do it again. After we put the light through it, put it on.
Nope.
There we go. So after you put the light through it, does it look any different? Does the ice look any different? No, it doesn't. So we're going to put a tick in the no. Into the no. Good girl. Okay. So, after all that, did the ice change at all? Was it observably changed?
No.
No. So do you think, at the start, do you remember how I asked you all those questions
Yeah.
about, do you think it's, is it waterproof and stuff? Do you reckon you were right?
Yeah.
Yeah, mostly. Yeah, you were, because it was waterproof, because it didn't absorb it. It wasn't flexible, because it couldn't bend like you and I do. It was strong, except for when we hit it really hard, because then it sort of cracked. So it was a little bit strong, but it wasn't fully strong. And it was transparent, but it wasn't fully transparent. So we can't really say it was fully transparent, because you could see the light, but the light didn't go all the way to the roof like it does without the ice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so have you learnt anything today, Pip?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah? All right. Awesome. Thank you very much for that.